Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. My name is Eric Foster, and this is Lunenburg Public Access Cable News for April 16th, 2020. In town news, the Department of Public Health has confirmed the number of COVID-19 cases here in Lunenburg at 20 as of the 14th. We must all do our part to protect ourselves and others by washing our hands often and thoroughly. Avoid touching your mouth, nose, eyes with your hands. Cover your coughs or sneezes with tissue or your sleeve, not with your hands. Clean and disinfect surface areas frequently, and avoid mass gatherings and maintain social distancing. These are, of course, things that we've heard for the past few weeks. When the Board of Health receives laboratory confirmation that someone tests positive for COVID-19, an action plan is put into place. A nurse initially contacts the individual who tested positive and directs them to isolate as required by state regulations. The nurse will then monitor the infected during the entire isolation period. It's also at this time that the nurse will start the process of identifying individuals that have been in close contact with the patient. Those people are contacted and asked to be quarantined for a minimum of 14 days to help limit the spread of the coronavirus. In state news, the Massachusetts Department of Public Health issued an advisory recommending that people wear face masks in public. Under the advisory, people should wear masks or face covering in public when social distancing is not possible, such as the grocery store. Baker's announcement came on a day that Massachusetts surpassed 20,000 confirmed coronavirus cases. As of last Friday, 599 people have died, according to the Department of Public Health. So please, when you're in grocery stores, wear gloves, wear a face mask, follow the arrows on the floor. They're there to promote social distancing. Being someone who follows these procedures, it confuses me when I see people flagrantly ignoring these incredibly important rules. Do your part. Lunenburg Public School workers are holding a gift card drive for hungry children this Friday, April 17th. Residents can drive through and drop off donations at the TC Passios building between 1 and 3 p.m. We'll provide the contact information at the end of the broadcast. I recently became aware of a service that I had no idea existed, which I think might be helpful to some. Every day, someone somewhere in Massachusetts needs to find an essential community service, an after-school program, a food bank, maybe a place to secure care for an aging parent. Many face these challenges, but don't always know where to turn for help. The solution is to dial 211. Mass 211 is an easy-to-remember telephone number that connects callers to information about critical health and human services available right in their own communities. It serves as a resource for finding government benefits and services, nonprofit organizations, support groups, volunteer opportunities, donation programs, and other local resources. Mass 211 maintains the integrity of the 911 system, saving that vital community resource for life and death emergencies. 211 is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Lastly, everyone at this point should know how to wash your hands. If you don't know how to wash your hands, there are literally thousands of videos online showing you how to do that. In Vietnam, folks came up with a very catchy song, which became a TikTok hit, giving hand washing instruction. Very catchy. Perhaps the Wiggles are more your speed. They're very happy. From a panda, to a robot, to a chicken, or a yellow penguin, or the most mind-numbingly catchy shark theme song ever written, everyone can learn how to properly wash. It's over? Is it over? It's over? Okay. I'm wondering when they're going to make a video of a shark that teaches my children how to enjoy home learning. I'm not a teacher, and getting my children to sit down and participate in remote learning is a chore. Most parents are probably in a similar circumstance, as schoolwork is no competition for Xboxes, televisions, iPhones, and other digital distractions. In a matter of months, the coronavirus has rearranged the lives of children and families around the world. Schools have closed in over 188 countries. disrupting the education of more than 1.5 billion children. In the U.S. alone, at least 54.8 million students have been affected by school closures. It's not normal. Thankfully, in Lunenburg, we've got some help. The Boys and Girls Club is offering Homework Help Power Hour for all town students, Monday through Thursday from 12:30 to 1:30. Staff members and National Honor Society students are making themselves available to help students with school assignments. They're well versed in Google Classroom and ready to help make a difference, not only for students who need assistance, but for parents who also need a break. What a fantastic example of community first. We should all make sure to send them our thanks and regards, and make sure to use the service. That's our news. Thanks for watching, and here's a list of all the information you might have missed during the broadcast. Once again, have a great night and stay safe.